All right, guys, what's up? I've got it here. The bike that I would ride or will ride if I would ever transition to GasGas, the 2021 MC450F. Let's check it out. Let's do a walk around. Let's go over a couple details on it. First of all, you guys have seen me unbox plenty of these, so you already know they look sweet. This is by far my favorite color combination, where it doesn't have the white on the back like the off-road bikes do. Freaking love the look of this bike. So what are the differences between this and a KTM? So obviously the plastic style different. It's red. A big thing that jumps out at people is the silver wheels, which I love. It's got the silver cast triple clamps, where the KTMs have the black, like billet style setup. It has silver bars where the KTMs and Huskies are black. It's got a lower profile bar pad, which looks pretty cool. Besides that, guys, there are virtually no differences. I'm sure I'm forgetting something, but I know the tank's different because the plastics are different, obviously, but I can confirm that the seat is the same. So you can put a black KTM seat on a GasGas and it will just, the black flows from the tank and it kind of separates that red a little bit, and it does look really good. I've also found out that you can put a KTM airbox cover right on the GasGas bike, and the lines don't come together perfectly because it's a different contour, but it does mount up. So if you were in a pinch, you could easily throw a KTM airbox on there and be fine. Besides that, guys, the bikes they're the same thing. I know supposedly they have a little bit different of a feel in the track, but I haven't got to rip one of these yet, so I can't say. But let's just say that if I got an offer or some kind of opportunity to ride a GasGas 450, I would not hesitate to do so at all. These things are sweet. The performance is still there from the KTM. I don't mind any of the small changes. Yeah. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.